Join the cloud revolution. Save and earn money with NexQloud. Imagine earning money from the comfort of your home while supporting a green revolution in technology. Sounds futuristic? With NexQloud, that future is here. Dive into cloud computing, save up to 80%, and effortlessly generate passive income by contributing your unused hardware. Cloud computing powers almost everything you do online, from streaming shows to storing photos. Instead of relying on local systems, it uses remote servers to process and store data. It's versatile, scalable, and vital for innovation. The catch? Big providers make it expensive and less eco-friendly. Big cloud services dominate the market, but at what cost? They rely on centralized data centers consuming massive energy and increasing expenses for users. You pay premium prices for infrastructure that often goes underutilized. What's worse is their environmental impact, which is far from negligible. NexQloud flips the industry on its head. Through decentralization, it turns your unused hardware into a cloud network. By sharing computing power, you not only save but earn money. It's a win-win for individuals, businesses, and the planet. NexQloud is your gateway to the future of the internet. Think of NexQloud as a peer-to-peer cloud. Just like how Airbnb lets you rent out spare rooms, NexQloud lets you rent out unused computing resources. Its AI-driven system allocates resources based on demand, ensuring transparency, reliability, and top-notch performance. Got a laptop, desktop, or server sitting idle? NexQloud helps you put that underused tech to work. By joining their network, you can earn passive income each month. It's simple. Sign up, set up your system, and watch your revenue grow as others use your spare computing power. For businesses, NexQloud is a game changer. It offers cloud services at up to 80% less than giants like AWS. With real-time analytics and transparent pricing, companies get reliable cloud solutions while cutting costs. Scale your operations affordably without the burden of traditional infrastructure. By decentralizing cloud services, NexQloud reduces the need for massive data centers. This efficiency leads to lower energy consumption and a smaller carbon footprint. Get paid while helping build a greener, more sustainable internet. It's tech evolution that benefits everyone, including our planet. Worried about security? NexQloud's advanced protocols ensure your data is safe. Their AI-driven system optimizes use and maintains transparency, so you're always in the loop about resource allocation and earnings. Security and control are no longer reserved for massive corporations. Making money with NexQloud requires minimal effort. Set up your system once, and NexQloud takes care of the rest. Its compensation model is fair and competitive, so whether you've got a high-performance server or an old laptop, you'll earn based on your contribution. Starting is easy. Visit NexQloud.io, create an account, and download their software. The interface guides you through a quick setup. Once you're live, NexQloud begins connecting your resources to the global network. It's streamlined, beginner-friendly, and designed for seamless onboarding. NexQloud isn't just a service, it's a revolution. By joining, you become part of a movement that's reshaping the way we think about technology. Say goodbye to overpriced cloud services and wasteful energy use. Say hello to decentralized, eco-friendly, and inclusive computing. The era of cloud domination by a few big players is over. With NexQloud, you can save money, earn additional income, and support sustainability in tech. Visit NexQloud.io today to take your first step into the future of passive income and green innovation. The revolution awaits. Don't miss out. Follow the information below, how to sign up and start earning passive income for life.